Hello everybody. It's been a few weeks and we had this video idea that requires a lawnmower, and of course we have a great lawnmower and a four-wheeler, and we have a few of those too. I'm out of breath because I ran to see my friend Colby Card, and I gotta keep running. There he is. What are we doing today, Colby? Colby, let's be honest. So we're going to do a tug of war between my four-wheeler and Sawyer's lawnmower that he picked up for free, that you guys have seen in a few videos doing wheelies. But today we're going to do a tug of war and see which one's stronger. Sawyer's attempting to start up his dirt bike.
I'm gonna smoke it.
Yeah?
I'm smoked.
I don't believe it. Sawyer, do you think this thing is powerful enough to take down my four-wheeler?
Yeah, it's got 19.5 horses. I mean,
wow.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Yours is probably like 1.
I don't believe in it though.
I believe in it more than yours. Oh yeah, I bet if I put 19.5 horses, like horses, on a rope, they could drag your four-wheeler everywhere.
I bet they could.
19.5.
19.5 horse.
It'll work.
It says 1540.
All it needs is like, you
40.
can just dump gas down there.
But it's used, so.
Just dump gas down there.
Yeah, that makes for good lubricant. Actually, I'm gonna drive this down because I gotta pump the tires and we gotta drive it a certain way, so it doesn't wreck the beautiful rims.
Yes, you run better than most of the things I have. And it's not even mine. Oh my god. Oh, what the? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Right in the dirt. See that now? I like overrun.
Jesus.
You really have to only dribble that.
Oh my god. So, we're turning around this time, so I'm on the softer ground because Sawyer believes that that's softer than over here, which it could be, but either way, his lawnmower's gonna lose.
dust up.
He was doing a wheelie. Oh shit.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Oh, damn. Oh shit.
This is exciting.
Belt's slipping like
Like my
I
tires.
can smell it.
Jake, my tires were spinning backwards some of the time when you were dragging me and I was full throttle.
Okay, let me reverse.
It was kicking dirt back as you drove.
Yeah,
It was done. I don't have anything to hold on to.
Your leg almost got caught in that cage.
So sore, who won?
I think I should stand on this
Oh,
when
yeah?
you guys pull, so I just get like launched, you know?
Good job.
I would have won, but it's unfair
Why is it unfair?
because I have a differential and
Hold on, the lens is dirty.
not enough weight in the back.
So what you're saying is the lawnmower itself couldn't beat my
But I
four-wheeler.
could mod it to beat it, but I'm not going to. It's too much
Well,
work.
obviously, there's a lot of ways to do it. So anyways, that's gonna wrap up our video. Hope you guys enjoyed Sawyer spitting up dirt, trying to pull my four-wheeler, and my four-wheeler just pulled that lawnmower.
Colby's gonna stand on the line.
No, I'm not doing that.
So yeah, see you on the next one.